Hi, Mark Allen here for the Sunset Auto family. You gotta love technology, right? I mean, go figure. Who would have guessed I'd grow up and be an app? So anyway, not so long ago in a service bay not so very far away, Sunset used to have these big new owners clinics called Right from the Start. They were great events. It wasn't uncommon to have over 600 people in one of our service departments. It was wild. But let's be honest, no one really loves kicking off a Saturday morning in a folding chair. And as great as our Sunset service departments may be, let's just say they're not a croissant's natural habitat. Which brings us to this app. Now, clearly this app isn't about me. Otherwise, we'd both be doing something about these baggy eyes and bad hair. No, this app is actually all about you, your new vehicle, and getting some serious Sunset exclusive benefits to you both, like oil changes for life and warranty protection for life. So, let's get started. First, you may be thinking to yourself, what happens when I come in for my oil changes for life? Here's the scoop. When you pull into any Sunset service department, you'll be greeted by one of our highly trained and experienced service advisors. And you're going to get a whole lot more than just an oil change. Your tires will be analyzed for wear, tread depth, and you'll get a tire rotation and alignment if you need one. Your vehicle will undergo a multi-point inspection conducted by one of the service technicians. Think of it as a full-body checkup from one of those medical shows. And you get to review all the results with a service advisor. Only factory original parts and approved fluids built for dependability are going to be used on your vehicle. Your maintenance history will be kept in our system and will be available for you at all times, because after all, they're your records. Plus, that's a great way to ensure you maintain those minimum manufacturer requirements for your warranties. I think you're going to find that Sunset is extremely competitive with our menu pricing and our price match guarantee for tires. Hey, we don't want you feeling like you ever need to take your vehicle anywhere else. We want to take care of you and your maintenance repair needs forever. Our customers kind of seem to like that. Now, all that usually takes about an hour or so if you have an appointment, and you can schedule an appointment on the phone, online, or even right here on this handy app. Let's answer a few more frequently asked questions, starting with, what do you do when that check engine light comes on? And there's a couple options for this one. First, if it's a solid, non-flashing light, it's still okay to drive, but get to the service department as soon as you can. If your car has them, the cruise control and the remote start might not work without lights on, so a solid check engine light, come in as soon as you can and we'll get you all fixed up. And don't panic. There's about 300 reasons that little light may have come on, and most of them are just tied to sensors. But if that check engine light is flashing, that's a totally different deal. Stop. Don't drive at all. It's time to park it and call roadside assistance. They'll get your vehicle into us or the closest certified repair facility, and we'll get you back on the road just as soon as possible. Okay, how about what kind of oil should you use and how often do you change it? Now, there's all sorts of oils, conventional and synthetic. We're going to use the oil that the manufacturer suggested in your vehicle, because after all, they probably know best, right? Now, the how often do you get it changed question, that's a good one. Remember that old every 3,000 miles answer? Yeah, not anymore. That is so 1990s. 3,000-mile oil changes went out with the Macarena. And good riddance to them both. Seriously, you shouldn't have to get your oil changed more than every 5,000 miles. And with some vehicles and those synthetics, maybe even every 7,500 miles. And here's the beauty of the whole thing. The best time to get your oil changed is when the little light comes on. Yeah, your oil light monitor, it'll light up on your dash, and it's just that simple. Everybody's driving habits are a little different, and all that factors into oil life. So just check once in a while. Your car is going to tell you when it's thirsty. Just wait for the little light. Okay, different light. What's the ABS light? And by the way, what does ABS stand for anyway? This stuff relates to your anti-lock braking system. Think of ABS as ability to brake and steer. When that light comes on, get your vehicle into the service department right away, because turns out braking, steering, we're kind of fans of both of those. So let us help you out there. Now, how often should you rotate your tires? We suggest you rotate your tires with every other scheduled service. That tire pressure fluctuates with outside temperatures, and we're happy to take care of it for you. How about changing your coolant? You don't have to do that very often. Do that about every 5 years or 150,000 miles. Okay, next up, let's talk warranty protection for life. And this is a good one. Although there are very few excluded vehicles, for the most part, this limited powertrain warranty is included with every qualifying new and pre-owned vehicle. and it's honored at any ASE certified repair facility in the United States and Canada for as long as you own the vehicle. Nice, huh? It's a Sunset exclusive. You should have been given a brochure that looks a whole lot like, well, that right there. It explains all about this benefit. Your only responsibility is to maintain the manufacturer's minimum required maintenance schedule. That's it. And to make this process as easy, convenient, and affordable as possible, Sunset also offers a new Maintenance for Life, a monthly subscription for everything from windshield wipers to brakes to tires to virtually everything in between. Think of it as Netflix for your car. No more big service bills. Your subscription takes care of all of it. I know, right? It guarantees you meet all the requirements for that warranty protection for life. Now, if somehow you haven't gotten all the information on this program, just let us know, and we're going to get that fixed right away. It's way too good to miss. You can ask any sales or service employee about the program. So, that's it. That wraps up this right from the start video. Wasn't so bad, now was it? We realize you have lots of choices when it comes to shopping for an automobile, and we appreciate that you chose Sunset. We're going to do everything possible to make sure you and your family will see us for all your automotive needs forever. Thanks for your business. And again, sincerely, welcome to the Sunset Auto family.